What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get straight into this 2003 CR250. Little history on the bike. In 2005 I picked up this Honda for Matt over in Fort Worth. I raced this bike from 2005 to 2011, then it mostly just sat in the garage for 10 years. I said it's time for a fresh rebuild, so let's go over some of the parts on it. Most obvious are the TXrace Restyle kit, throttle jockey graphics. In 2021, Mirko split the cases and rebuilt the top and bottom end of the motor. I have Pro X crank and bearings and OEM top end parts that I had laying around in the garage. The cylinder also got replated. Thanks Mirko for blasting the cases and rebuilding the shock. The head on the cylinder is Fathead Racing. It is milled with my name and number. Thanks Luke over at Fathead. Carburetor is the H series Lectron, the red spacer. Got a Pro Circuit Works pipe, Pro Circuit titanium Shorty, and I put stickers on both sides of the Shorty. Boydston Rav valve with carbon fiber reeds, blue silicone radiator hoses, IMS foot pegs, Moto Stuff 270mm HRC V2 rotors on the front and rear. I have a Galford front caliper relocation bracket, EBC composite brake pads, Moto custom braided brake lines. They are being delivered today. They're not installed on the bike yet. Got Excel wheels and Talon hubs thanks to my MX Unleashed and Reflex buddy Brian Tierney out of Salt Lake City. Renthal sprockets and O-ring chain. Brand new Dunlop tires. The front's an MX53, the rear's an MX33. AVS unbreakable levers. Got Pro Taper grips. I'm going to spin the bike around and we'll talk about some of the cosmetic parts. Go over some of the cosmetic parts. Got a Henson clutch cover, Boyson ignition cover, white, 2023 CRF fork guards. Got a lot of red anodized parts on it. Oil plug, washers, fork guard bolts. The rotors, some titanium pins for the brake pads, and some light and flash flat washers I installed, holding the exhaust on. The fuel I'm running is VP Racing C12 with Caster 927 premix. Bike still needs the forks rebuilt, triple clamps, and the brake lines installed. I just wanted to give a big thanks to Dad and my grandfather for getting me into dirt bikes and three-wheelers when I was 6 years old. My granddad was a factory mechanic for BSA motorcycles, and he turned wrenches at Daytona back in the day. I know he would love this Honda. Let's go put some race gas in this thing and fire it up. We've got the fuel out, ready to mix up a couple gallons, throw on the bike. We're going to either rock some No Fear or some No Fear. I'm feeling that blue kit today. I'm gonna get suited up. We're gonna fire up this 250.
We'll take a look at the motor. If we have any leaks. I did tighten the spark plug after the ride. Radiator hoses ain't leaking. It's running pretty good. I have to adjust the carburetor. May just be a little bit rich. But other than that, she rips pretty good. I'm gonna go ride a few back roads. Go hit some back roads. Just got back from about a 10-mile ride on these back roads. Just wanted to thank everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching. It's been a fun day out here, but it's time for me to load up and head back to the house.